Hello crafters, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be upcycling some of these jars. Now I've got three this same sort of bell shape. I've done two already, so I'm going to bring the third one on camera. I've got this Christmas ornament which I got from Poundland last year. I have seen them in pound stores, so they are still available, but I don't know if you'd be able to get them sort of nationwide. I'm just going to cut off this silver hanger because I don't need it. So pop that to one side. And this is going to be the mum. So I'm going to give this mum some pearl earrings. And these pearls I got from Poundland also. They do come with adhesive, so I'm just for speed, I'm just going to put one pearl there, and one pearl on the other side. And as I say, I will glue these on, but just for now, I'm just going to put them on using the adhesive because I'm still waiting for my hot glue gun to heat up enough. I've got this pearl strand, this pearl garland, which I'm also going to use. That's also from Poundland. Got some ribbon from my stash, and I got some buttons from my stash. So I've got some faux snow, and you can get bags of fake snow from Poundland. So let's fill this jar up. I'm going to fill these up so they are as full as possible. So I'm going to bang it down and get more in. Now, using this pearl garland, I'm going to give the mum a necklace. So I'm just going to snip a length off and then connect them at the back at two ends together. I'm just going to twist them together and then I shall glue it on. So I hope my hot glue gun is ready. Just want to see where the seam is because I don't want the seam to be showing anywhere. I don't think this has a seam. Okay, good. Right, hot glue gun, are you ready? So I'm just going to put some hot glue on the back and submerge these pearls into that hot glue because this will be covered up. I need some glue on the side here, and the same on the other side. Using hot glue, I hope you can't hear the drilling in the background. We're having some alterations done in the hall and in the kitchen area. So I'm putting some E6000 here as well. I apologise if you can hear the drilling. Right, we're going to put mum's head on. So it sits on there like that. Now the E6000 takes about 24 hours to dry. Okay. How much of this ribbon do I need? I need some ribbon to go round. Glue this ribbon around the neck of this jar. she doesn't want to stay. Right, let's add some more hot glue. Okay, so she's currently looking like this. I just need to nut this back area here. And I'm going to give Mum a bow as well on the side of her ribbon. On the side. Just going to make up a quick bow. Put that on the side here. Okay, let's add her buttons. Now these wooden buttons are available from my store. This one has the stitch lines on it, and then we have this one also. Okay, and let me bring over the rest of the family. Okay, there we go. We have the mum, the dad, and we have... one thing I hate about hot glue, and that's the strings. And then we have the little chappy. And I just happened to have 3 jars that were the same shape. And then I remembered I had these ornaments that I hauled in a video, I think it was after Christmas last year, so in January of this year, and I thought they would be perfect for a little snowman family. So I shall take some photos so you can see them face on, but I really like the way they turned out. I think they're really cute, and because they're snowmen, they can, you know, go across to the winter season as well, not just for Christmas. Thank you very much for joining me, crafters, and I will see you again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.